Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw cheese. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down at an angle. So starting here, I'm just going to make a nice line that goes down like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then as I get part of the way down, I'm going to draw a line that just curves in and out like this. And then I'm just going to go down some more. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go across like this. Then I'm going to draw a circle or an oval shape like this. Then I'm going to draw another line. I'm going to draw another circle or oval shape, a little bit bigger. Then I'm just going to draw the line over like this. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then I'm going to curve in and out again. And then I'm just going to connect it to there. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to curve in and out again. And then I'm going to just draw the line right down here, and you want to kind of line it up with this one best you can. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then I'm going to go up and down. And then I'm going to just continue this line right here. Now I'm going to add a few extra circles on here. So I'm going to add a couple extra, just different sizes like this. Now in here, I'm going to draw a little line that just curves up and down just to show a little bit of the inside of that circle. Then I'm going to do the same here. And then the same right here. Then inside of here, I'm just going to draw a little curved line inside these circles. And then I'm going to put one towards the top in this one just to make it look like we can see the inside. Then I'm going to draw little curves on these two as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of cheese. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.